Hey, what's up, friends? How's everybody doing? This is David, I'm the Polish Potato, with a quick unboxing video of the newest from Hidizs, the MP145 Pro. What do you mean I've been pronouncing it wrong? Have I? I don't think so. I've always said Hidizs. All right. Well, at least I caught myself. Live and learn, right? I hope you enjoyed the video. Before we actually begin, if you guys do decide to purchase the MP145 Pro as a result of this unboxing video or the full review video that is coming up next, please do use the links in the description of these videos. It is the most direct, the simplest way for you to support the channel because those are my affiliate links. I get a little tiny kickback from your purchase. The price is the same to you, so there's no difference to you at all, but it does help the channel grow and it does help me make more informative videos just like this one for you to enjoy. So now let's see what we have here. When you pick up this box, you know you have something substantial, something high-end, something serious in your hands already. This is not your everyday simple packaging. This is something that is meant to awe you. And this first effect is definitely achieved when you just hold this nicely weighing box in your hand. So let's now unbox it. Here we go. Let's try to get this cover removed. As always, it sits pretty tight, so it's not extremely easy, but that is the moment of anticipation that we all love. Hidizs have been delivering killer audio equipment, and I have a feeling that this is going to be next step on this journey. Here we go. All right, look at this first impression. I mean, this looks gorgeous. These are the rose gold, as you can see. I believe these will come in at least 3 different colors. And the presentation when you remove the cover is already stunning. Let's try and get them removed from here. Oh, look at all these ear tips. 4 different kinds. These are not just for comfort. They're actually for different tuning specifications. So they actually do modify the sound quite a lot. These sit here very tightly in this foam insert, and I don't want to damage anything, so I'm going to try and carefully remove them. Look at these guys. This is what they look like up close. They have their weight. They have their size. These are definitely among the biggest IEMs I ever held in my hands. And the first impression is you're holding something really serious that is meant to deliver wonderful sound. This is not your everyday IEM. This has been manufactured with a purpose. Look how beautiful this finish is. I will talk about where the design inspiration comes from because it's also very important to me. It's very important to Hidizs, and I think they're doing a wonderful thing by incorporating a lot more into their products than just good audio, great design, and careful manufacturing. So these are all the ear tips. What do we have here? We have vocal, we have bass, we have balanced, and then we have Anemone ear tips. These are for comfort. They don't really change sound that much. I've tried these before, and they are very comfortable. And now look at this carrying box. Carrying case. This is amazing. It's so well done. It's such appealing to the eye material. Look at this cable. Very substantial. Very nice cable. This is not going to require an upgrade. All you crazy audiophiles out there thinking already about changing the cable, you really don't have to. And here we have the nozzles. The red ones are bass. The silver ones are for extended highs. And the rose gold that come installed on the IEMs by default are balanced. So this is the whole set. I cannot wait to start listening to these. I anticipate they're going to be wonderful, but of course I don't know yet. I will give you all the details in the upcoming full review video. So please stay tuned. This is coming to the channel really soon. In the meantime, thank you for watching today. All right, I couldn't finish the video yet because I did take the first listen, and I just have to talk about this for a second. I also, as you can see, did upgrade the cable because that's just the way I am. The cable that came with this, I used it and I listened to it and it's perfect. You don't need to upgrade the cable. I just did because I'm David M., the Polish potato. That's my way. And also this blue really looks good with the rose gold for some reason. But anyway, I did listen. I took my first listen. And guys, I have to tell you this. Hidizs have been killing it so far. And I didn't know what to expect with these. I'm like, how can you get better? But details are coming. For now, if you're a dude, tell your wife, honey, we're not remodeling the kitchen right now because I need the money for these new Hidizs. If you're a woman listening to this, tell your husband, I knew you wanted the new lawnmower, but you have to hold off because I'm getting these Hidizs right now. They are just that good. So if you have to get a loan, if you don't have the money available right now, get a loan. I don't know how much these are going to be when they're released. I don't have that information. The previous model was around $150, I think. These may be a tad expensive, and if they are, you still just need to buy them. Trust me. The sound is so beautiful. Details are coming. I'm not talking about everything today, but my first impression is better than it has ever been from just unboxing the product and taking the first listen with any IEMs I have ever heard. And that means something. Thank you guys for your time today. If you made this far into the video, comment, save the whales. And this means so much to both myself and Hidizs. Full disclosure, at the very end of the video, Hidizs did send this set to me free of charge for the review, but in no way, shape, or form does it influence what I have to say about them. My opinions are my own. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon in the full review video.